Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your outreach automation with Zapier and LinkedIn leads, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your outreach automation with Zapier and LinkedIn leads, log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Select New Lead or New Connection based on your requirement. Connect your LinkedIn account by following the on-screen prompts. Authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn data. After connecting, choose the specific criteria for the leads you want to capture. Click on the Test Trigger button to verify that Zapier can pull in data from LinkedIn. Once you confirm the trigger works properly, move to that Action section. Search for the application where you want to send lead information, such as your CRM or email marketing. Select the appropriate action event, such as create lead or add contact. Connect that application to Zapier by following the prompts. Map the fields from LinkedIn to the corresponding fields in your selected application. This ensures that the data is transferred accurately. Click on the Test Action button to verify that the data is sent correctly. If the test is successful, proceed by naming your Zap. Enable the Zap by clicking the toggle switch. Your outreach automation is now set up. Monitor the automation by checking the task history in your Zapier dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your workflow. With everything set, you can now focus on engaging with the leads that Zapier helps you capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.